places that most people wouldn't dare to venture. And I am your host, Max Powell.
The fellow YouTuber and urban explorer Kaiser Glick uploaded a fort video. Him and his friends built a fort in the woods. And I thought that was really cool because that's the same thing that my friends and I did when we were in high school. We built a similar fort in the woods, large. It was almost like a cabin. It was really cool. I told Kaiser, like, yeah, if you want to see the fort that my friends and I built in high school, and he was like, yeah, sure. So I decided to make a video about it. Before I go any further, real quick, if you could just go down there right now and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, it really helps me out a lot, and you'll be able to see Strange Places videos the moment they come out. So if you go down there right now, just take like 3 seconds of your time. Just click that little like button, the little thumbs up thingy. This fort wasn't entirely built by us. So I was exploring in the woods by this religious cult. Why was I in the woods? I don't know. I was 17, whatever. But anyway, the cult's name is called the Institute in Basic Life Principles. And there have been reports about it, documentaries about it. There have been newspaper articles about it. It's a cult. The woods over near there, I'd call it the Cult Woods. So I was checking out the Cult Woods, and I came upon this structure, and it was it was pretty cool. It was like a rundown fort. You know, I had the bright idea of, hey, let's go back there and let's like rebuild it and make it awesome. So my friends and I, that's exactly what we did. So the first phase of construction was just my buddy Rokas and I. We just went over there and checked it out, fixed it up a little bit, and then we figured out how the structure was going to be supported. And there was no way that we were going to haul up concrete and then dig giant holes and then sink the posts in the concrete. That would have been a logistical nightmare. We were going to use the surrounding trees as support. So we would just take whatever we could, and we would attach it to the trees and then attach that to the overall structure. 3 out of 4 of the corners were supported with actual trees, and then we had various trees along the walls, and that's how the structure was actually able to stand up, and it was actually very strong. It resisted a few storms. A few bad storms flew in there, and the fort was fine. So that was a pretty good engineering feat right there. So a few weeks later, we went back. We brought my friend Greg along this time, and we brought a lot of tools. We brought nails, we brought hammers, we brought a whole bunch of stuff, and we went to work on the thing. So this is the first video we made of it.
We got a great lot, great school system here. Plumbing, electricity, some water. Great neighborhood. Great for a family of a pet, maybe a dog. Great backyard, 1,000 acres.
Why don't you let's take a tour.
This is two bedroom, 1.5 bath. So here's the kitchen, bathroom.
There's the plumbing. There's the indoor plumbing.
Yes.
Right next to the fireplace.
Yeah.
The roof
has a roof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And whatever. Okay.
So before you watch the next clip, you have to understand that the entire clip was just one big inside joke. So my friend Jukes, he's been in a lot of my videos. At this time, he was saying that Nigeria was better than America in like every way possible because his family's from Nigeria. He is first generation Nigerian. So yeah, I mean, he was what, 6? I was 17, he was 16. So he was just being an idiot. So he was like, oh, Nigeria is better than America in every single way. And so that kind of pissed me off. So I just basically was making fun of Nigeria in this entire clip, and I did this terrible accent. So please just ignore all of it. The stupid accent. Just check out the fort because the fort is awesome.
Welcome to my village in top property in Nigeria. Sturdy structure of plywood and branches. front entrance is very nice. Let's see what our buddy Rokas is doing. It looks like our Rokas is doing the dishes. As you can see, it is 2 stories. This could be a bedroom for someone. This is backyard with water supply and indoor plumbing.
Dam.
This is the dam which collects the water and provides water for all of Nigeria right here in this very dam. And we even have drinks here. It's Capri Sun. We sell this in the market. It looks similar to this. I know the Rokas wants a Capri Sun.
Some photos from the last phase of construction before it was torn down by the cult. We went to the fort one last time to put the tarp on it, and it was done. It had the tarp roof, and all of it was finished. Rokas is the one who took the only photo of it when it was finished, and he lost it. So I can't show you what it looked like with the tarp on, but it was basically the same thing but with the tarp on. A few days after that, I went there and the whole place was torn down. There was nothing left. I went there and I was searching for it. I was like, it was right here. Where is it? And the only thing left was the tarp. And the tarp was just laying there. Everything else was gone. And then I'm just looking around kind of in shock, and this guy comes from behind me and he says, hello. And I'm like, oh shit. And so I turn around and this guy, I'm like, hello? And this guy says, yes, I work for the Institute. Yeah, I work for the Institute, and we saw that, he said, so you're obviously the one building things? I said, yeah, me and a couple other people, we've been building this. And he says, well, we tore it down because this land belongs to the Institute. And I was really scared. I thought I was gonna I thought he was gonna call the police or something, but he was just like, yeah, take your tarp, take the tarp and leave. And then so I just left, and nothing happened, luckily. But those sons of bitches from the cult, man. Alright, that joke is getting old. Please like and subscribe. I'm your host, Max Power. See you next time on Strange Places.